video is on types of chemical reactions. There are 5 different types of chemical reactions that we're going to learn about in this unit. All of our reactions follow the same format. I have reactants that when reacted together will yield products. My reactants are always on the left, products are always on the right, and my yield sign is shown by an arrow. So for example, if I have reactant A, because combined with reactant B, I have A and B, so whatever compound or element A and compound or element B. When reacted together yield, and that's where my arrow comes in, my product of my compound AB, and so I have my compound AB. Okay, everyone's follows the same format. My first type of chemical reaction is synthesis. This is where 2 or more substances react to form a single new product. So all of these are going to have 2 or more reactants going together to make one product. So all of these have in common is that all of them have one product. So example is A plus B yields AB, where this can be any compound or element to make a single compound. My second type is decomposition, where a single compound breaks down into 2 or more simpler products. All of these will start with one single reactant breaking down into 2 or more products. The next type is single replacement, where one element replaces another element in a compound. So my single element here, A, replaces the B in BC to yield my new compound of AC plus B now by itself. It's similar to the dancing couples analogy, where a couple is dancing and somebody comes in to take away one of the partners and then starts dancing with them and the other one is left by themselves. My fourth type of reaction is a double replacement reaction, where 2 cations will exchange places in 2 different compounds. Remember, your cations always listed first. So my A and C are my 2 cations here. They're going to switch places with each other. And as they switch places, they'll now become AD and CB. Again, always writing my cation first. My fifth type of reaction are combustion reactions, and this is a chemical or compound reacting with oxygen to produce energy, carbon dioxide, and water. So combustion is just burning. In order for something to burn, it needs a fuel source, oxygen, and an ignition source. Well, our ignition source is told to us during the yields. My fuel is going to be my hydrocarbon, just a compound with hydrogens and carbons, for example, C2H4, plus oxygen, which is I need in order for anything to burn, is always going to yield CO2, carbon dioxide, and water, H2O. And these are always going to be the products of this kind of reaction. There are no exceptions.